EasyPianoOnline. Prelude in C# minor, simplified to the key of A minor by Rachmaninoff. In this first tutorial, we will learn the first part. Please subscribe and visit the website for parts 2 and 3. We will begin with the right hand. Right hand plays fourth finger on F, third is on E, and first finger plays A. A right hand moves up to middle C, first finger plays C. Third is on E, second is on D sharp, then we have together F and B flat, then D and G sharp, first finger plays C, third is on E, second is on D sharp, now together F and B flat, now D and G sharp, first finger plays C, third finger plays E, second is on D, together C and F. Now first and fifth play B and F. Third finger plays E, fifth finger plays G, fourth is on F, first finger plays C, second and fifth play E and A, first finger moves down to B, second and fourth play D sharp and F sharp. We will stop here. Now we will look at the left hand. Left hand begins with first finger on F, second is on E, and fifth is on A. Left hand moves up with fifth and second fingers on E and A, then G and C, fourth and second on F sharp and B, octave F, A flat and D, octave E, E and B, octave A, fifth and second on E and A, third and first on G and C, F sharp and B, 4 and 2, octave F, A flat and D, octave E, E and B, octave A, fingers 4 and 1, E and A, G and A, F and A, octave A flat, D and F, octave G, D and F, octave C. G and C, fingers 4 and 1, B flat and C, A and C, fifth finger plays C, add on F sharp and A, fifth finger plays B, and again F sharp and A. Now we will try hands together. Left hand first finger on F, right hand fourth finger on F. Now both hands play E, and both hands play A. Moving up, left hand fingers 5 and 2 on E and A, right hand first finger on C. Left hand G and C fingers 3 and 1, right hand third finger on E. Together. Left hand octave F. Left hand A flat and D, right hand F and B flat. Left hand octave E. Left hand E and B, right hand D and G sharp. Left hand octave A. Together. G and C, right hand E. Left hand 4 and 1, F sharp and B, right hand second on D sharp. Left hand octave F. Together. Left hand octave E. Together. Left hand octave A. Left hand G and A, fingers 2 and 1, right hand third finger on E. Together. Left hand octave A flat. Left hand D and F, fingers 2 and 1, right hand C and F, fingers 2 and 5. Left hand octave G. Left hand 2 and 1 on D and F, right hand first and fifth on B and F. Left hand octave C. Together, left hand 4 and 1 on G and C, right hand third finger on E. Together. And left hand A and C, fingers 3 and 1, right hand fourth finger on F. Both hands play C. Left hand F sharp A, right hand E and A. Both hands play B. Left hand F sharp and A, right hand D sharp and F sharp. We will stop here. Please subscribe and visit the website for the rest parts.